Hey everyone, welcome to Mel's Simple Meals. Today we're going to make tuna noodle casserole, and it's just one of the easiest dishes, but it's so delicious. It's something my mom used to always make, and we usually had all the ingredients right in the pantry ready to go, and hopefully you guys will too. If you guys are new here, welcome, and if you're all about simple, easy meals using the pressure cooker and the air fryer, go ahead and hit subscribe. Come on and join me. First, I'm taking 8 ounces of egg noodles and I'm adding them to my 3-quart pressure cooker. And you can use any noodles for this, but we always use egg noodles, and that's also what I had on hand. And then you're just going to go ahead and add enough water to cover the noodles. And this way you don't really have to worry about draining anything, and you just get to sort of set it and forget it, which I really like. So you're going to go ahead and put the pressure cooker lid on and seal it tight. And then you're going to set the pressure for 4 minutes. So you just hit pressure cook and then go ahead and hit the time and it'll get started. Once the time is up, just go ahead and do a quick release, and you can drain any excess water, but sometimes you might not have to. So I'm just going ahead and adding 1 can of cream and mushroom soup. And it's nice to do this when the noodles are nice and hot because it kind of helps dissolve the soup and get it all mixed in. Then I'm adding 2 cans of tuna fish. What's great about this too is you could absolutely use chicken and it would be delicious as well. 1 can of green beans. And I completely forgot, but also go ahead and add mushrooms in this stage, however many you want. You can use canned or you can use fresh cooked mushrooms. Both work really great. And I'm just going ahead and stirring everything around and adding half a cup of milk. I used almond milk here, but you can use any milk substitute or just regular milk, whatever you have on hand. So here's where the self-control comes in. I absolutely love these French fried onions. They're so good, and I would normally use a whole package, but here I'm just adding half a cup and stirring it in. The only reason I'm doing that is because it makes it less Weight Watchers points and just a little bit healthier, but feel free to add as many as you want. I'm adding a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. And then, this is optional, you can also add some garlic powder and some onion powder to taste. And that is it for the basic casserole. So you're going to mix everything in, make sure everything looks great, and then you're going to go ahead and transfer it to a casserole dish. So I have the small size casserole dish that I transferred it to, and I'm going to go ahead and add a half a cup of the French fried onions right to the top, because those are going to go in the oven and get nice and crispy. So go ahead and put it in the oven at 375 for just about 10 minutes until you get those onions nice and crispy. Ta-da! Looks golden brown and beautiful. So I'm telling you guys, that's how easy it is, and this is so delicious and comforting. And here is the final product. Creamy, delicious, super cheap, and super good. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I really hope you guys will give this a try. Let me know if you do in the comments below. I'm thinking about all of you guys, and I hope that you are safe and well. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.